You can customize your own test style in AutoCAD. You can create a new test style. To create a new test style in AutoCAD, you need to go to where it says annotation. Click on this drop down icon. The first option we have here is test style. Click on this. This window is going to appear. As you can see, our current test style is set on standard. There are two styles here. We have annotative and we have a standard. The current test style is set on standard. If you want to create a new test style, all you need to do, you just need to click on where it says new. Click on new. Then you just need to enter the name of the test style. Let's say we'll call this test 1, for example. Then click on OK. So as you can see, a new test style has been created. So over here we have the font size, height, effects, width factor, oblique angle. This is where you can customize how your test is going to look like. So for the font name, you can choose any font of your choice. Let's say, for example, when we choose this, then the font style, you can either make it bold, you can make it regular. The height, you can change, you can edit the height of the text style. Also the effects, you can make this upside down, or you can make this backward. Okay, then the size, you can customize on this. If you click on an annotative, you can customize on the paper text height. If you deselect this, then you no longer have that. Then the width factor, also you can change the width factor. Also you can also edit the oblique angle. And after creating the new test style, which is test 1, you will click on test 1 and you click on set current. So after clicking on set current, your new test style is going to be test 1.